I have to work tomorrow, but my friend invited me to the Bruno Mars concert. Front row seats. What should I do? Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. When we are communicating in English, a friend may ask for your advice. Some common ways people ask for advice would be, what should I do? What do you think I should do? I'm not sure what to do. When this happens, you can use the phrase, if I were you. This means if this situation happened to you, this is what you would do. For example, let's go back to the Bruno Mars concert situation. I have to work tomorrow, but my friend invited me to a Bruno Mars concert. Front row seats. What should I do? If I were you, I would change work days with a coworker. Or, if I were you, I would try to change work days and go to the concert. Some people might try to call in sick and go to the concert. Call in sick means you telephone your job and tell them that you are not feeling well and cannot come to work. Call in sick. Some students have asked me whether they can say, if I was you. It is actually grammatically incorrect. If I were you is the past subjunctive form. So you should use if I were you. Here's another situation. I have 3 tests tomorrow and only slept 2 hours last night. Can you think of some advice? If I were you, I would get some rest. If I were you, I would study earlier for tests. I'm not sure what to eat for dinner tonight. Fish or chicken? What do you think? Write your advice in the comments section below. In this lesson, we learned the very useful phrase, if I were you. You can use it to give advice to your friends. Please click the like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Me to the Bruno.